Right now, the Evernote interface looks a certain way and then it behaves a certain way as well. If you want to change how Evernote behaves and how Evernote looks, then you can go around under the preferences by going around onto the gear icon right here by clicking on it and then by going into preferences. So here in preferences, you can see that I can let Evernote start up when my Windows computer start up. So this is when you have installed Evernote on your computer. You can keep a copy of the note on the device at sign out as well if you want to, so that you can have a backup on your computer rather than the Evernote account. You can go around and choose where you want to resume after you quit Evernote. So let's say be it at home or resume from where you left off right here. You can go under appearance as well and choose light mode or dark mode according to how you want as well. So you can go around and say light mode right here and dark mode over here just like this as well. And you can see that the interface changes accordingly. You can also enable the spelling checker while you're typing. So you can turn this off so that there is no spelling checking going on. But usually I like to have this on. So let me just go around onto light mode and this is what you have. Similarly, if you're subscribed to the premium version, you can also manage out calendar settings. You can now, let's say, connect out folders right over here as well. So here you can see that there's automatically import files from selected folders to your computer. So you can go around, select out a folder that you wish. So let's just go around and select out, let's say, the texture folder right here. Click on select, and that folder will be connected over here to the notebook over here as well. You can go around onto the sidebar and show the note count over here. You can enable and disable it, show the recent notes right here, and show shortcuts over here just like this as well. You can enable and disable all of these out right here. You can go around under notes right here and fit to window or optimize for readability over here as well. So you can see that you can try this out and you can start the note in the body or the title according to how you want. You can go around onto notebook and you can choose out the default notebook where you want all of the notes to be saved by default. And you can also get the task option right here if you have the upgraded version. So that is how you can work around with the preferences to change how the application looks and behaves. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.